Star quality. Yeah. I'm a diamond in the rough. Straight talent, ho. If you don't see it, then open your eyes, nigga. Straight up.
You don't know nothing about
Let the beat flow, ho.
Star quality, I just hit the lottery. Instead of hating on me, you should come and toast with me. Star quality, I just hit the lottery. Instead of hating on me, you should come and join the team. Star quality, I just hit the lottery. Instead of hating on me, you should come and toast with me. Star quality, I just hit the lottery. Instead of hating on me, you should come and join the team.
I'm in the game, that's exactly where I'm supposed to be. Got my haters looking at me like they proud of me. I live that California dream, I'm from the Palm Beaches. Palm trees everywhere, nigga, you should see the beaches. From the bottom to the top, now I'm in your speakers. When my album drop from Mars, you gon' have to hear me. And clearly y'all hating, but the homie getting faded. This is history in the making, I'm just in the kitchen baking. Pots and pans on the stove, I'm preparing for my baby. If you don't believe in real, then you niggas must be atheists. Boy, I'm a star, look at my car, that whole look tasty. And that bitch blowing cushion, I ain't even half Jamaican. I might be looking Asian, but my bitch is whole Caucasian. I know people that know people, but that's not how I made it. This is hard work, dedication.